Hello traders, you're welcome to the Forex Geek channel. Now in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Avramis River Indicator. All right. Now this indicator is designed to assist you in identifying market trends. Okay. Let's just head into how the indicator looks like and just analyze how it works so that you can be able to understand that and apply it effectively to your own trading strategy. Okay, so as you can see that the Avramis River Indicator presents several information. All right, you can see this dashboard here that shows you the asset and different time frames, right? You can see that it helps to understand the current trend in that particular time frame. Like you can see here, the H4 is bullish, right? You can see you tick the boxes for the time frames that you want visible, right? And then that is that for the dashboard. Now we can see here this indicator wide lines that are plotted here. All right, more like a river. As the name implies, it's like a river that is flowing on your chart, right? A yellow river and a blue river. Anyways, so when you have the indicator below price, okay, and you have price bouncing off the Avramis River, it shows that bullish momentum is dominating. All right. On the other hand, when you have price trading below the Avramis River Indicator, it shows that bearish momentum is dominating. Now, the indicator's river can serve as dynamic support and resistance. So basically, if you have price if you have a bearish trend, for example, like what we had here, and then you have price get close to the Avramis River and you get perhaps a bearish confirmation candlestick pattern, it could be a sign to enter a sell trade. Okay, and ensure that the blue river is below the yellow river for a bearish trend. All right, and for a bullish trend, ensure that the blue river is above the yellow river. Okay, I'm just going to be calling them rivers. Now, in the case of a bullish trend, you just have to, like I said, you wait for the blue river to cross above the yellow river, and then you wait for the price to bounce off the blue river. Remember, it's serving as a dynamic support. And then you look for a bullish confirmation candlestick pattern, and then you execute a buy trade after you get your confirmation. Your stop loss can be below the previous swing low. You can target, nearest resistance zones for your take profit, or you can work with these levels that are being projected here. All right, but ensure that you pay attention to support and resistance zones. Pay attention to price action. Do not use the indicator as a standalone signal. Okay, it's always good to combine, price action, get your confluences, and that helps to boost the confidence of that trade. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now and click the notification bell so you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.